If you could get Botox-like results, but using something natural, would you do it? I think the answer to that is yes. I'm so excited. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to use one ingredient that will completely transform your skin. Hi guys, I'm Nicole, Simplicity Nicole, and I'm so excited. Today we are gonna talk about something that, you guessed it, as usual, skincare. And I've got an egg in my hand, and that is the one ingredient that we're gonna be using for this do-it-yourself at-home mask that completely works. So years ago, I'm a Renaissance woman. I was working in insurance, and I had this client come in, little backstory, and she looked amazing. When I pulled up her driving record and I figured out her age, I was like, wait a second, there's no way this is your age. And she goes, yes, you know, and she didn't make a big deal out of it. And I was like, wait a second, what are you doing? And instantly I was like, I mean, is she using Botox? I mean, what's going on? What's your secret? You know, just tell me, right? And she said, honey, it's all natural. The only thing that I do is 3 to 5 times a week, I use egg whites. And she explained how to use it, and I was blown away. So we're gonna try this today, and I want you guys to see the results for yourself and try it at home. Let me know what you think. Here we go. Okay, ingredients that we are going to need are going to be 2 bowls, 1 egg, a spoon, skincare brush, and a blender. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Okay, so the objective that we're gonna be doing is I'm going to be cracking the egg, okay? And then I'm gonna be getting the yolk out right away. Just leaving the egg whites. Okay, we don't need this. Now, I am going to mix it up for you. And we are back. So it's all frothy, as you can see. And that's what's gonna go on your face, as frothy as possible. You wanna make sure that your face is completely clean. Oh, look at that. Gotta get a little messy with skincare, right? All right. Okay. Actually gives like such a nice little glow. Woo. All right, and now we're just gonna wait for it to dry, maybe about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so look at this. I am glowing. That was a little close, a little close up right there, but look at how, I love it. It feels so rejuvenating. It feels, my face feels so tight. It feels, it just feels awesome. So remember, this is for shrinking pores, helping your acne, and getting rid of those nasty fine lines. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off and show you guys what it looks like after. Okay, I just washed it off and it is amazing. My skin feels tight, it feels so baby soft. It is amazing. I wish sometimes like you guys could like, you know, feel my skin or see it in person. But like I said before, this lady told me this trick a long time ago. I've utilized it maybe only once a month, but I kind of getting back on it. I have all the stuff that I really need to make stuff at home that's completely natural. The eggs that I got are non-GMO, organic, so why not? Thank you guys so much. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Thanks guys.